Hello everyone, I'm Salar and this is Salar 3D Studio channel. This lecture is about how to CAD model the pyramid unit cell. So let's just move fast forward to the CAD modeling, and please do not forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on and like this video because your presence in this channel is very valuable to us. Thank you. Okay, for this CAD modeling we need three reference planes. So I'm going to choose top plane for one of these three reference plane and create two reference planes related to this plane. Okay. Uh, I'm going to choose 7.5 millimeter because I want to have a pyramid unit cell with the height of 15 millimeters. So I'm going to choose half of this distance for the upper reference plane and half of that for the bottom reference plane. Okay, great. This is the first plane. Let's just show the top plane, and the next reference plane would go towards the other direction. Okay, now we have three reference planes. We could start our pretty simple yet advanced CAD modeling of this very useful and high application mechanical metamaterial unit. So, okay, let's just start the sketch on the top plane. I'm going to create a circle and just uh, be aware that this diameter is the diameter of your struts. So I'm going to choose 1 millimeter. Great. Okay. Let's just change the size of this plane for better visualizations. Great. Okay. So now we created the sketch for our strut diameter. Now let's move to the bottom reference plane. Start sketch. Okay. Let's just do this for better visualizations. Great. Okay. I'm going to create the bottom part of my pyramid. Okay, let's just choose the midpoint, make a relation with the origin point. Great. Again, do the same for this. Okay, great. Let's just make these two equal. Now, let's apply this relation to. Great. Okay. Choose this distance properly because this is the bottom side of your pyramid uh, distance. So choose it based on your drawings or whatever you have want to create with these lattices. I'm going to choose 10 millimeter and let's just create a circle here. Great. Again, this is the bottom side of your uh, strut diameter. So you could choose it equal to what you choose for the upper side, or you could make it more advanced and functionally graded by choosing a different diameter for this place. But I'm going to do the same. So this is 1 millimeter. Okay, great. Let's just create our first strut just by using loft. Great. Okay, I just created one of my struts. So let's just choose front plane sketch and draw a center line. Great. Again, back to isometric. So let's just go to features, circular pattern, choose this direction, and this body. So I want 4 of them with 19 degree 19. Okay, so this is the bottom side of our pyramid, and let's just do a simple mirror with the top plane as the mid surface and these bodies to mirror. Great. Now we have created our unit cell, which is a pyramid based on some unengineered dimensions. So I want to hide these planes, and let's just simply pattern this unit cell to the desired final unit cell. Just combine it. We need to combine all the bodies that we created to a single body for a better and easier patterning process. Just do the linear pattern. The first direction is front plane toward the opposite direction with a 7.5 millimeter distance. I want 5 of this unit cell, and the second direction is the right direction, right plane. So 7.5 again, and again 5 lattices. I am going to use body instead of features. So great. Here is my first plane of the lattice unit cell. Just simply pattern this face towards the top plane for the final direction. Okay, the direction is top plane. It's not 7.5 again, it's 15, and I want 5. So let's choose the bodies. Great. Okay, here's our final pyramid lattice structure. You could modify it based on your applications and your dimensions. I hope this tutorial helps you during your industrial or academic applications. So as always, do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notifications on, because your presence in this channel is valuable to us. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.